What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to New York City. We are here in Rockefeller Center where we are getting ready to experience Jimmy Fallon's TONIGHTMARES. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to the Jimmy Fallon team for inviting me out to cover the opening night of this brand new haunt event. Jimmy Fallon has partnered with Universal Studios and Halloween Horror Nights to bring his nightmares to life. And today we are going to be going inside and filming inside the haunted house to show you guys what it's all about. If you guys like what you see in today's video and you want to come out here to experience it for yourself, go ahead and click the link down in the description below to go ahead and get your tickets. But with all that being said, guys, we are here just a little bit early. The event does not start until 5. It's just after 3:30 right now, so we have a little bit of time to kill. Let's go ahead and walk around Rockefeller Center, taking the sights and sounds of New York City before getting scared. The last time I was here, there was a great big tree that was right here. What the heck? Where'd it go? And check this out, guys. Here we are in one of the most iconic locations in all of New York City, Rockefeller Center. Normally, I'm used to seeing this as an ice rink. Typically, I only come to New York City to visit family over the holiday season. So normally, there's a massive tree here, and this is all one big ice skating rink. Man, this is my first time ever seeing it like in a summer setting where you can just go down here and casually chill. I love this. You know, I said I was gonna explore Rockefeller Center, but I found this spot over here. Chilled out here the whole time for almost a full hour. We're going on 15 minutes until the event actually starts, so it is time for me to get back up, but this chill out area over here, so nice. It's a little warm outside, but there's a nice breeze when you're in the shade. Just 10 out of 10 perfect. And this isn't something that I can get in Florida right now, so I figured I would take advantage. Plus, I know I'm gonna be back to Rockefeller Center with you guys another time in the future, so we'll make sure to explore a little bit more then. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get back up, stretch out, and get scared. And in case you guys are looking for the haunt location, it is located at 630 5th Avenue. And don't worry, there's gonna be plenty of signage around the area to direct you to the location. And funnily enough, this haunt event is happening right across the street from St. Patrick's Cathedral. Look at this thing, it's huge. You know, every time I go through a revolving door in New York City, I always feel like I'm living my biggest elf fantasy. Oh my God. What the heck? This place is massive. Oh my God. And yep, this is where we're going. Downstairs to Jimmy Fallon's TONIGHTMARES. Gotta take the escalators on down to rink level, shops and dining. You can also catch the subway here apparently. And of course, this looks just like Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. The warning signs are exactly the same. Oh, I'm so excited. So they scanned our tickets and now we get a fancy wristband. Thank you. Just like with any haunt event, we do need to go through a security line. They scanned our tickets, we got our wristbands. We gotta wait in a little bit of a queue to go through security, and then they're gonna pulse us into the haunted house by groups. But because we're media, they're gonna be sending me through by myself. I am so excited. Something you guys should also know is that it is a little bit toasty down here. We are on a lower level with the subways, and because it's warm outside, it's a little bit warm down here. I don't know how it's gonna be later on as the event progresses closer to Halloween, as it gets cooler out in New York, but just be aware.
Excited, we're so excited to have you guys here tonight. As our very first group, we just have a couple of quick rules and regulations to go over before we head you guys inside at 5 p.m. First and foremost, this is a scary haunted experience with darkness, flashing lights, haze, fog, smoke, and scary people. If that is not for you, I highly suggest you go upstairs to the Lego store. Yes, it's pretty cool. I've been there one time. Next up, our scare actors are never going to touch you, so we ask that you please do not touch them at any time. Additionally, please do not touch our set. If you do, there will be long-term consequences to your actions. We do have cameras in every room recording. Next up, there is only one entrance and one exit to the haunt, so once you are inside, you gotta make it all the way through that maze. Plus, if there is an emergency, find someone in a shirt like mine throughout the maze and they can get you out sooner. But once you have exited the experience, we cannot let you back in. So if you want to get the whole thing, I highly suggest we brace ourselves for some scariness and make it all the way through. Am I missing anything? I don't think I am. No, that's it. I think that's it. If that all sounds good to us, we're going to head you guys inside in just a few minutes, all right? Thank you, Sam.
So we were just told that it's gonna take about 10 minutes to go through this haunted house. Oh my God. What am I getting myself into? This is gonna be a very long haunted house, and I'm so excited to go through. All right, it's time to head on inside. Hello.
To your very own TONIGHTMARES. In just a few minutes, we are going to open this elevator door. You will enter inside, and then your nightmare begins. Do you remember who you're going to follow through your adventure?
Jimmy Fallon? No.
The first person you're going to meet is an NBC page named Taylor.
Okay.
They're going to guide you through the entire thing, so don't be afraid.
No problem. This an elevator?
This is an elevator.
Ooh.
It only goes one way.
This is exactly how all of my nightmares start.
Thank you.
Good luck.
All right, I am low-key terrified.
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
It's Jimmy.
Oh gosh.
I think we're stuck in one of my nightmares.
I am so scared.
I mean, look around you. Crammed in a rickety elevator.
This could go one of two ways.
That cable.
Oh,
Looks
no.
like it's stuck in any...
Oh no, we're falling! Oh god. Oh dear Jesus. Okay, where are we going? Oh dear, okay. Okay, hi. Entering. Okay.
Hello? Are you guys still there? I'm stuck in my bed.
Oh, my
I know
God.
It's my bed because I've had the same sheet since high school. Oh good, Taylor the NBC page is with you. Say hi, Taylor.
Hi, Taylor.
I don't know why, but Taylor shows up in all of my nightmares. Taylor knows the ins and outs of this place, and I think they might be the key to getting out of here alive. Can you hear? Not the green smoke.
Oh.
That means it's starting. Get moving and follow Taylor. Before
Okay.
it's too late!
We're following Taylor.
But how do I get out of this bed?
Oh my god! We're going.
Being in the middle of the woods is bad. But you know what's even worse? Being in the middle of the woods while being hunted by aliens. Run!
Aliens, oh gosh.
How this sounds, but I am not a crazy person, and I know what I saw. At first, it looked like a broad star in the sky, but then it got closer.
Oh Jesus! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. Whew. These guys could. Wow. These guys could come out of anywhere. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay.
You might be out of the woods, but don't let your guard down. There's a serial killer on the loose,
Oh,
and
lovely.
they'll kill anything that moves!
Okay. Okay. Wow. Hashtag.
Help me!
Oh Jesus!
She's crazy!
Okay, yeah. Hashtag told me to get out.
Hi. Hello.
Oh my gosh.
Help me! She's crazy!
Hi. Hello.
We're following. Oh dear. That's terrifying. We're just following this gentleman the whole time, Taylor. Friend. Yeah. I am
Here's
friend.
the situation. I'm a talk show host in the 50s, holding a puppy, but it bites me, and I start to...
Uh-oh.
Become a werewolf!
Okay. I don't want to be first. Oh
All right,
no.
now look
Oh.
at this little guy. Here's a very rare
Okay.
breed. There's only a few left in the world. Oh, yikes. A feisty one. I think I'll hand him back to the experts here.
Oh, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy? Jimmy? Oh, gosh. Oh, no, I don't. Wow. Quickly. Ah! Oh, Jesus! Wow. Oh, wow. That was the most genuine scream. Having a hard time,
I
Taylor?
know this nightmare too well. I'm standing outside an old gas station in the middle of nowhere. I have a really, really bad feeling about this place.
Oh, you got it open. Yay. Gas station. Huh. I am impressed with the sets in here. Holy cow. Okay, okay. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. Oh dear. Is that a body on the floor? Oh gosh.
Oh, God, Daddy.
I'm so scared. Oh gosh. I'm okay, I'm okay.
The New York City subway is always kind of a nightmare. But this is next level. There are creatures that look like they've been trapped for decades. I don't think they're human.
All right, quickly, coming through. Oh, wow. Oh, God. Wow. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my gosh. Hello? Tickets, please? Tickets? Okay. Oh. Quickly, we're moving, quickly. Okay.
Rule number 1 of being in a cornfield: get out of the cornfield. There's a killer scarecrow who will stop at nothing to...
Oh, not scarecrows. All right, I'm coming, Taylor. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, we just gotta follow Taylor. There's, oh my God, no. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Taylor, you gotta save me. You're not doing a very good job. Okay.
Get out of the lab and fast. There's a mad scientist turning people into mutants using gamma rays. I don't even know what that means, but I know it isn't good. Let's go!
We're coming. Okay. Mad scientist. Oh, hell no. Oh no. Oh. Not friend. Not friend? Not friend? Oh gosh. Oh dear. Jesus. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Okay, we're hurrying. We're hurrying. We're going.
Friend safe.
Friend safe. Oh, we're safe.
This is the scariest nightmare yet. I'm in a giant warehouse where they're building humanoid robots and pumping them full of artificial intelligence. I'd move if I were you.
Okay. Manager's office. That doesn't look very friendly. Oh gosh. I don't mess with robots. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Help you.
I don't think you can help me. Oh my gosh. Ah!
I'm happy to assist.
Okay. I don't think she's very helpful.
In this nightmare, I'm on stage with the world-famous boy band Blood and Guts, and they're hungry for... Do I really need to spell it out? Blood and Guts!
Taylor's like, self-explanatory. Ooh. Oh my. I don't think that's... Woo! Oh. Yeah, the curtains. I don't care much for the curtains. Come on, Taylor, you got this. Friend safe. Friend safe.
Taylor, thank you for getting us through my nightmares. But to be honest, I've always been afraid of you. I have a recurring nightmare where all the pages remove their human masks and they're actually bloodthirsty monsters.
Okay.
Wait, where are you leading us now?
Yeah, where are you leading? Oh, curtains, really? More curtains? Oh gosh, Taylor, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? Taylor. Oh no, wait. Oh, I don't like this. Oh gosh. Should I go in there?
Taylor!
Oh. Oh God. Oh dear Jesus. I don't like the curtains. Oh God. I really don't like the curtains. There's so many curtains. All the curtains. Okay. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm by myself now. Taylor's gone. Taylor's left me. Oh gosh. Okay. 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 I think that's it. Are we good?
Yes, you survived Jimmy's nightmares.
Oh, okay.
Was just you, Lisa?
Huh.
Another group?
No, it's just me.
Okay, stay here, take a nice little photo.
Okay.
Show that you made it.
We survived. Yay. Oh gosh. Oh, that was...
All right, just
That was terrifying. Just got done with TONIGHTMARES. We managed to go through twice completely by ourselves. That was genuinely terrifying. It's incredible how the sets are HHN quality, the scares are HHN quality. They managed to accomplish so much in such a small space, and everything is so confined too. Like typically I'm used to Halloween Horror Nights or Howl-O-Scream where the hallways and sets are a little bit wider and you have a bit more room to breathe, but you're so confined. It's very claustrophobic in there. And the claustrophobia paired with the atmosphere, the tone, and the excellent scare actors inside made for a genuinely terrifying experience. That was incredible. Very, very much so worth your time. If you're in the New York City area between now and Halloween night, definitely make time for this, especially if you're a Haunt fan. This is something that you cannot miss. I'm so happy that I was able to experience this. Thank you so much to Jimmy Fallon and the TONIGHTMARES team for inviting us out to experience this event and to film inside the haunted house. I can't wait to come back. I really want to come back with Coda to experience it this year. However, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that, but if they decide to do this again next year, we will for sure be back. That was phenomenal. Absolute 10 out of 10 experience. Once again, guys, if you are interested in experiencing this event, we have a link down in the description below to where you can pick up tickets. And let me know in the comment section below, if you guys do make it out here, drop your experiences. Let me know what you guys thought of this event after you've experienced it for yourself as well. But with all that being said, guys, I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.